Hello and welcome to another short tutorial on SVEditor. I'm Matthew Balance, Principal Developer of SVEditor. In this tutorial we will look at managing preferences within SVEditor. SVEditor actually provides quite a few preferences for customizing its behavior. These range from things such as text colors within the editor to the value of template parameters that get used when you create new content using templates. Part of the problem is that by default Eclipse keeps these settings local to the workspace. So when you move to a new workspace, your preferences don't follow you. Fortunately, Eclipse provides an API to allow preferences to be exported. In SVEditor 0.9.1, we've implemented this API to provide the support for exporting SVEditor settings from Eclipse. SVEditor categorizes its preferences currently in three categories. Template settings, these are the values for template parameters. These are also paths to template repositories. Another category is linked resources. And the final category for now is editing preferences. This includes things like text colors. This enables modularity in preference management such that you can have perhaps a site settings file, settings specific to a particular project, as well as user settings to allow fine-grained customization. Okay, we have SVEditor open here. So let's have a look at our preferences. So window preferences here, and we have quite a few categories for preferences under the SVEditor category. Now the settings that we're going to look at today are the file header and file footer, the template properties settings. So we can see here that by default the file header when creating a template file just has the file name in it. But perhaps we also, for our settings, want to add a copyright. Okay. So we can see that shows in the preferences now. And whenever we create a template in this workspace, this file header will be used. But what if we want to move these settings to a new workspace? If we go to File Export and select Preferences, we'll see that we have several categories of SVEditor settings that are shown. These categories by and large are only shown when we've made some change to these settings within SVEditor. If we've left the defaults as they are, these categories don't show up. So we don't necessarily want to export all of these settings. Perhaps we only want to export our template settings, and we'll put that in a template settings preference file. The convention here is for the preference files to end with .epf. So we'll export our settings there. Okay, now I've moved to a new workspace, and we can confirm actually here that my template properties are back to the default. So if I want to import my preferences, I go to File Import and say Import Preferences. And I can specify that template settings. And the import wizard gives me the choice to import everything, or I can simply import just the template settings and click Finish. Now I can confirm that, what do you know, my template file header now matches what I exported. So this allows me to bring my settings back and persist them across workspaces really quite easily, making setting up my customized environment very straightforward. Thanks for watching this short tutorial on using preferences within SVEditor and Eclipse. Hope you found it useful. For more information about SVEditor, please visit us on the web at sveditor.sourceforge.net.